Hey everyone, it's that Math Magician. On this video, we're going to take a look at system of equations and we're going to see, can we use the equal values method to help us solve for a point of intersection of two lines. Let's go ahead and jump right into this example problem. I see that we have two equations there representing two lines and we want to see where those lines intersect. Notice that we have y equals 3 minus 2x and y equals 1 plus 2x. Notice that both of those equations start off with y equals. So that means then that 3 minus 2x equals y and 1 plus 2x equals y. And since both of those blue expressions equal the same thing, then that means that they must equal each other. That's what the equal values method lets us do. Both of those blue expressions equal y, well then they have to equal each other. That is how equality works. So we can set those two expressions now equal to each other. And we just got to solve it out now. I want to isolate my x variable. So let's start doing that. I think I'm going to add 2x over from the left side to the right side just to keep things positive, right? Negative 2x plus 2x, that's going to zero out. On that left side, I'm just left with positive 3. And it's going to equal 1 plus, well, 2x's plus another 2x's. That's going to give us 4x's. Alrighty, because I moved that x variable over to the right side, I now got to take the 1, that constant 1, and now move it over to the left side. To do that, we will subtract 1 on both sides. I'll have 3 minus 1, which gives me 2. It's going to equal 1 minus 1, zeros out. I'm left with 4x's. I almost have my x term on its own. The very last thing is I want to get rid of that coefficient of 4. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. The 4 is on the right side, cancel out. We just have x equals 2 divided by 4. That is 1/2 or 0.5. It doesn't matter which way you write it. I'm going to write it as a fraction because fractions are your friends. You want to write fractions. Alrighty, so let's think about that, right? I have my point of intersection. I know the x term is 1/2, right? That's the x term. I got to find the y term now. I want to see what is that missing y term. Now, if I know my x, I can find out what the y is going to equal, and I just got to pick one of those equations to use. And it truly doesn't matter which one you use. I always say, try to pick the simplest equation. And in my opinion, I think that first equation doesn't look so bad. 3 minus 2x, yeah, there's a negative in there, but watch what happens. It's not going to be too bad. Because when I know my x term, right, 3 minus 2x, but I know my x term. My x term is 1/2. So I'm going to use that x term, plug it in now. I'm going to solve for y. Well, y equals 3 minus 2 times 1/2. Well, 2 times 1/2 is just going to give us 1. And what is 3 take away 1? Gives us a final y term of 2. So the point where our two lines intersect is at 1/2, 2. That is how you use the equal values method to solve for a point of intersection. Okay, we can only do that though because those two equations equaled y. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.